Okay, good morning everybody. I have Mr. Bobby Childers here helping me out this morning with a little repair project.
Yeah. Well, Dorothy lost an eyeball back here. So Dorothy had a camera up here and quit working for Shirley. So we're trying to figure it out. I just untaped it just a minute ago. There's all my tape. And this thing was disconnected just like that. See the wire right there?
Yeah.
So if it's not getting the positive negative, and that's the negative side, it's not going to work. It may work a little bit through the camera, depends on how the camera's grounded. And it was intermittent, the camera was, and it was causing her problems. And this is what it was. It just come out of the butt connector here. So we're going to replace all this and fix her up and get her all fixed up, y'all.
So what's the next step?
I'm going to try to cut this back, save as much wire as I can, because it's kind of gnarly here on the end. Sometimes you can't straighten that out, so I'll get it all nice and neat so it can go into the sockets at the butt connector, then we'll recrimp it.
Okay.
Reconnect, recrimp it.
All right. And in the meantime, the camera is just hanging out.
That's it.
Down here by the Wicked Witch.
That's right. It's a gnarly wire when it does that. Sometimes that rubberized coating, wow, this is like a rubberized, it's not totally plastic. It's got some softness in it, so I'll just clean it up with that.
Does it look like the rest of the coating is in good shape? It's not
Oh yeah, it's fine.
scarred or anything?
Oh no, it's good. Yeah, it's just, he didn't get down that connector quite right.
Okay.
But that's okay, it's all good.
Yeah. It doesn't take a little bit sometimes to make things not work properly.
Everything. Make sure it's gonna work right.
So now he's gonna check the voltage to the wire that is coming down from my running lights.
Perfect. 12.31.
All right.
So now we can secure. Now we have a known. We know this thing has power.
Good.
It's best to start and work with electrical stuff with knowns.
Yes.
So we'll leave this out. When I get all the connections, when I get these two connectors on, I'll check it again. But I need you to secure the power, the lights right now.
Turn them off for now?
Yeah, turn them off for now.
Okay.
We'll leave the plug.
So I don't know. But I looked at Shirley's and she's only got like 13.42. Is that what you have? 13. Yeah, I have 13.42. So.
And do a little tug test. That's good. Okay, now we're gonna cut the power back on. Make sure we got voltage through those.
Okay.
Problem for that. Okay. Let's make sure that is the hot one. Of course, it could be. The alpha cut the meter on. Work. Perfect.
Cool.
12.1.
Sweet.
Perfect. 12.3 while ago. That's good.
All right.
Now all I can do is crimp her up, get the little wires here ready. We're gonna be in biz. Find anything that's small. These are tiny wires, so I'm gonna make them extra long, and I will fold them to make them thick enough for that crimp.
All right. You don't need me anymore, do you?
Oh, honey, we need you all the time.
All the time.
What you gotta go do?
I gotta go potty.
Oh, well, go ahead and go take care of business.
I gotta go pee-pee.
Hey, remember, only 2 squares of that TP.
Yeah, we're all learning toilet paper conservation
For sure.
for sure.
Well, you know, you need to sacrifice. That's
Yep.
the way it is. We're doing our part out here in the desert.
That's right.
We're using limited resources and kind of paying it forward every chance we get.
Yep.
Keeping life simple. That's very good. Okay, twist this up now. More material there. That thing's crimped too. Wow, that's some small wire.
Yes.
It's like number 22, 24. It's really small. They didn't want to spend no money on a bunch of wire. Keep you simple. Just fold them over. That's all you can do. A lot of times they're just to make sure you get them up in there and get a good connection. Okay, let's see what we can do here.
What'd you forget?
Heat shrink.
Oh. Important.
Yeah, I got some pieces here somewhere. See what size is that? Yeah, we'll see. We have to do that one wire again. I don't know. It may be fine. One of them I can move.
You're going to crimp it, and then that little sleeve goes over it, and you heat shrink it.
That's it.
Okay.
Well, that's our plan. Yeah, if I can get that in there. Wow, that is. I want to get that up in there.
Yeah, I think that's where my son-in-law had trouble to begin with, was those little wires, getting them in that connector. Was very hard to do.
Yeah.
So it's not surprising that it came loose.
Mm-hmm. Let's see if it holds. Yeah, it's holding. It must have got it. Get this one. Oh yeah, I felt it slide in. Each one of them, I felt it slide in, so it's good. There we go. This. Do a little tug test. I think it's fine. Yeah. You don't want to jerk them, you know. I think that's good. Just gonna. You got that torch down there, Shirley?
Yes, sir.
There you go. Thank you. Winds. Oh man. Come on. Come on, wind. Light up a little bit. It's hit me. Wind. Come on. It's just enough wind. Oh. I don't know if the torch is.
Might have to hold it down for a minute to. Little trick I've learned with those lighters. Isn't that cool?
Sneak right down on there. Well, I mean, I like this better than I do tape. Just the winds.
And that doesn't hurt the wiring at all.
No, it doesn't hurt it. Got that one shrink down.
I'd be afraid it'd melt the wiring.
Well, you can if you get it too. We're gonna get it. That ain't going nowhere. It's on there. It's protected. So we're good. Now, next thing I'm gonna do is check the camera.
Okay.
Before I put it all in there, make sure it's working.
And this is what you get when it's working properly. And Mr. Bobby's just finishing up now, but I have my camera back. Woohoo! Well, the camera's working perfect, and I owe you everything,
Oh, yeah.
Bobby. That you don't know what that means to me.
Yeah, well, that'll be a big help to you.
Yes.
That's what we're after here. So get her all back in there and you'll be good to go.
Yeah.
And after I've fixed yours, I'm going to go over and fix mine.
All
They
right.
feel good.
Well, thank you, and
When it gets all done, you can take another picture.
yeah,
We'll get it square.
sit up. All right. Later.
Okay, so we installed the cabling, the connectors and everything back inside. I replaced the little rubber grommet. We've resealed it. We verified the camera is working properly. Dorothy now has my mug shot. I see the inside of your nose hairs. Okay, it's working. I can get this little joker.
So Bobby says he repaired the eye on the back of Dorothy's head.
Yeah, her rear eyeball.
Her rear eyeball.
That's good.
All right.
Little tabs back in here makes it slide. Just tiny little things. There's somebody talking over there. It's pretty nice looking.
Yes, sir, it surely is.
And we won't tighten anything really up until you tell me
Okay.
where to kind of set this, her eyeball.
Okay.
We get her eyeball going.
All right. You ready for me to do that?
Yes, sir. Miss Man, power her up and we'll see.
Okay. Okay, so now we're going to try it. Okay. Okay, we have picture. Okay, that's great. Social distancing is wonderful. Now I need to see the bumper.
Need to see the bumper?
I can't see it. Not yet. Okay, that's good.